Big Cole talks stocks. Big Cole talks stocks. What's he doing? Talking stocks. New intro. I just make them up every video. New intro. All right. First move tomorrow is IWM. We're gonna play this on the 5 minute. This is gonna be hopefully our first trade of the day. All right, we're gonna play that bad boy on the 5 minute. All right. This will be our target. All right. That is the play. It's simple, extremely simple. Double bottom, neckline break, hopefully retest, boom, pie out, walk out. All right. We're gonna take that up. But then it could turn into a 15-minute head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. Let's see what it looks like on the hourly inverse head and shoulders. So we get a neckline break. I actually prefer this one. What's that? 218, 219 for an entry if you're gonna play that. I haven't won 230 for so long. You could see I've been wanting that. All right, so simple. 5 minute double bottom, neckline break, boom, target one. So that means that's one trade, or close out majority of your position if you want to continue this trade to see if this IV head and shoulders plays out. Okay, boom. IWM. What's the next joint I want to look at? Tesla. All right. What I have for Tesla. We check her out on the daily. We have broken another daily support. Okay. As you can see, pie out. Broke our downtrend channel, so we down. But we're overextended, so I was expecting a bounce, but from the way things look, the RSI just might be oversold. But I'm thinking we're gonna get that bounce. All right. So follow the arrow. Back out. You see why my target is what it is. It's at 290. My target is not 240, particularly right now, because you know we day trade. You heard? So this 273. So let's say 275, just to be on the safe side, because 275 is the top of our gap. Okay, 275 is the top of our gap. We are under. We have broke our 200 EMA. So y'all. But I expect some type of pullback. All right, it could even be up to 310, 315, but I doubt it. We'll probably hit 300 and reject back down. All right, so your first move is 275. All right, you can hold and be greedy if you want, but my first move will be 275. Okay, so that is Tesla. Wait for the retest of the support that was just broken. Make sure that is a solid resistance. Take your entry. 275 is your target. Next trade. Somebody said something about app. Okay. So we got a rejection from a daily support, it looks like. I mean, it looks like we're holding it. Yep. All right. Let's drop it down to the hourly. Oh, snap. What y'all see? Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? Is that a double bottom? Yup. Okay. Okay. Little gappy gap. Little gappy gap fill. Ooh, there's a little gap. Let's do this. So y'all know the routine. Double bottom, break, little gappy gap. 375. Ooh, that's a big gappy gap. Where we at? 330? Sheesh. That's a big gap. Alright, well, you see what it is. And it'll be for the gappy gap. Be for the gap fill. Let's find this. Let's find us a nice little level. Alright. What we got? What we got? We doing this together. We charting together. We charting together, guys. Boom, boom, boom. Nice little range. Okay. That 308 was unofficial. Was official. But we're gonna have to watch out for this bad boy. Yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna have to watch out for this bad boy. Hmm. Alright. Is that a solid one? Oh, we gotta go up a little higher. Oh, there you go, overcomplicating things, go. So, there's a chop right there. So, my lines might not be on point. Let's keep it real. Because I'm trying to do this on the fly. So, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go for the gap fill. Gap fill, you heard? But even if you just hold this to 340, you know what I'm saying? That's a move. That's a move. All right, but y'all see the plan. All right, the plan is if you're gonna take this joint, boom, reject it off the 100. Top of the gap is the 50-day moving average. That's at 367. 400 is 20. All right, so gap fill. That's what you go for on app. APP. Gap fill. S. We go, all right, two more. Just S and then Amazon. Oh, and Disney. I want to go with Disney. Okay, S. Daily. Payal. Head and shoulder. What's that? Head and shoulders. Head and shoulders. You know I love me a head and shoulder. All right. So, what we waiting on, guys? What you think we waiting on? That, oh, did we get it? That retest. So let's see what price action gives us tomorrow. But from what I'm seeing, it should hopefully be puts. And this could be a nice little head and shoulder forming. And if that is, then definitely, that's your confirmation to get in for real, for real. All right, we get that. That's your confirmation to get in for real, for real. Head and shoulders on a head and shoulder. Another head and shoulder. All right, last one. No, not last one. Sorry, two more. Amazon. So I'm giving you multiple options, so you can find something that fits your trade style or something you're more confident in. But I'm giving you multiple options here. All right. My line's a little trashy, huh? Let's fix that. Must have moved when I was trying or something. All right. So we're on a daily. As you can see, that is a nice resistance. Okay. So what are we waiting on for this one? Same thing as the last John. I want a retest, but of this trend line, I think it's a little higher now. I think my line's a little. And this is one of the complicated things about trend lines. You're like, there's so many different areas that you could be off a little bit sometimes. So you look at the bigger picture. All right, let's get to the point. All right, Amazon. As you can see, that's a strong level. But if we break that level, because I'm now seeing that we have a potential IV head and shoulder. So if we break this, this would be a move. Let me give you the move. Shit. So we have whatchamacallit? More than one option. We're ready for either direction. Let's be ready for either direction. All right. See, I watch all these little levels. I'm paying attention. You got one there, 219.59. Another one at 220.56. But those are small time frame runs. The measured move for that head and shoulders would be approximately where I have the wrong line. Payal. There we go. All right, so if we break this neckline, then your target would be 15 to 20%. But in runners, with stops and profit, 218.80. So 218.50 to be on the safe side. We reject, which is honestly what I'm thinking we'll do. And we're coming down to this support. All right. So we're coming down to 197. Or we should be coming down to 197. First stop will be here. 205. So 205 first. As you can see, I really didn't chart these like that since that head and shoulders. So we're just doing this together. Just going through, finding the simple, most simple trades we can find. Why make it complicated? Why? Why make it more complicated than it is? Okay, so you got the moves. All right, Amazon, we break that neckline. Payal, we goes up to, what was our target? 216. Sorry, not 216. 228.72. If we go to the downside, our first target is 205.38, so 205.50. You know, 'cause it likes to play games by a couple cents sometimes. Then if we break that, then I see it's going to 197.50. All right, that's Amazon. So pull it up, chart it if you need to, but you see the overall picture. You know, plus we have that cup. If you can see it, where I have that Head and Shoulders. It was also a cup. If you can see that, it's like an upside down U. All right, and it broke its neckline. Came here. Could be retesting the cup's neckline. So that's also another way to look at it. And that is it, I believe. All right, there you go. Big Cold Talk Stocks. We went over IWN, Tesla, APP, S, and Amazon. All right. We have IWM to the upside, Tesla to the upside temporarily before rejection, APP to the upside off that double bottom. We have S. What was S again? Let me look at that. S to the downside, potential Head and Shoulders off this bigger Head and Shoulders, but really it's also support on the daily. And then, a resistance and Amazon. I gave you upside and downside. I'm looking at downside. All right, this is Big Cold Talk Stocks. Big Cold Talk Stocks. Hope this helps. Um, yeah, like, comment, all that good stuff. If y'all want to, you won't be, you won't get in trouble if you don't. Oh, another thing I wanted to say before we end this video. Always remember, if you give somebody the power to feed you, you give them the power to starve you. Learn this yourself. Practice. Go over these videos because I'm always showing different things as I go. As you see, I talk as I chart and I talk out loud. I'm talking, I'm thinking, I'm seeing stuff I didn't see before, and I say stuff, I show it, it's there. All right. Check the videos from the past. I know you won't have the play because the days already passed, but there's a lot of education in these videos. I have Big Cold Talk Stocks.